Hey there, guys. Back again, just trying to show you what I'm working on right now. This is a little pet project of mine. It's actually for a plane, for an aircraft. It'll be somewhat of a, not really a drone, but just kind of an autonomous plane for low-level flights. And it's powered by an Arduino and by an Android phone. Actually, that one, to be precise, an old Galaxy S2 Epic 4G Touch off First Sprint. That's what they call it. So, I just thought some of you guys might like seeing this. So what it is what's going to happen is you've got the Arduino here, which is being sent serial information through the wire right here, which will eventually be coming from Bluetooth from the phone, which won't be too difficult. Anyways, so what will happen is you send the command 1 through 9 or different letters, and it gives it different commands. And it changes these servos. There's 2 of them here. I only changed one of these because the other one's actually busted, so I didn't bother messing with it. But basically what will happen is these guys will be controlling the tail elevators, which will go up and down together. And then when you want to turn, they separate. There'll always be 2 different pieces, but they'll separate and do like that to turn the plane, so from the back. So it won't be a fast turn, but it'll only use 2 servos. Keeps it simple. You can see here the servos are hooked up. If it'll focus here, I don't know. I might have a hard time. There we go. That's pretty good, actually. The servos are hooked up to these 2 pins. There's one there and one over there. They're both PWM pins. Or PWC, whatever they are. The pulse wave ones. So we can control them. And they're both going back to a common positive and negative, which is also shared then to the Arduino. The motor over there is actually hooked up, so there's a capacitor in between the 2 leads to keep the thing from running back into itself, and then a transistor to take the high-low signal from this pin and convert it so that it can use the full 6 volts coming across the line. Otherwise, there's just not enough power. So the transistor, the way this works, that's how most motor shields work. It comes out, you give it a high-low signal, which is actually reversed because of the way the transistor works. So a low signal turns it on, a high signal turns it off, just a digital write. Goes to the middle pin there. If it's low, then it goes from the 6 volts straight into the motor and into the negative terminal. If it's high, it goes from the 6 volts straight back to the negative terminal, so it doesn't kill anything that way. So that's how that works. That way I can control it. So let me give you a little demo here real quick. I'm just going to be using the serial monitor. Oops, looks like I got it reconnected. I lost track of where it was at. Okay, go ahead and pull up the serial monitor here. Just gave me the ready command. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and do, I'll show you the servos real quick. I'm going to have to use 2 battery sources, but for now I'm just using 1. Here's, like I said, only 1 servo is going to work, so it'll really just do the same thing a couple times. But if I hit 1, that's down, 2 is up, so they'd both be tilted that same direction. In fact, if I kind of force it, it'll kind of go, there we go. 3 would be a turn, 4 would be a turn the other direction. 5 is centered again then. So, up, down, come on, go back. There we go. See how it's just fidgety. 1 way turn, the other turn, and then 5 is centered again. So you can see it coming back. Then if I take this guy and put him over here for the motor, we can watch. There we go. Q will turn it on. A will turn it back off. On. Off. So it's getting some funky little. So it's making some funny sounds, and I need to check out what those are because I don't want to be killing my motor here. But you get the idea. So that way I can control it, and if something goes wrong, I can just kill the power to the motor, and it's not going to kill anything. So that's that, and eventually this will all look nicer, of course. I'll give you guys some updates as we go along. Thanks for watching.